Hi guys, had a question whether I'd done round the pole or tethered flying, and I remembered I'd set this air hogs, can't remember what it's called, but I'd set this one up for round the pole. Got a pole and a bit of kite line on it, and it just fits in my garden. It's supposed to be a free flight one, but I put a big supercapacitor on it. Well, I say big, 2.7 volts, 10 farads. Don't remember when I did it. I'll have a look in my files and I'll put a link in the video description to the original. And I'm charging it up with a lithium ion battery, which will be between 3.7 volts and 4.2. So I just charge it up until it stops going any faster, and then I throw it. Well, that sounds like something's gone loose. Well, I'm glad we got a better flight first. It sounds like the pinion motor's slipping on the gear, because the motor's going faster than the propeller. Well, that's annoying. We had one good flight and it probably knocked it on landing or something. Well, that is annoying. I'll try it again, but I think that's it for today, without taking it all apart. I'm just directly charging the supercapacitor, and it's permanently wired to the motor, so you can tell when it's as charged as it's going to get, because the motor goes faster and faster until it can't take any more charge. No, that's it. You can hear the motor spinning without the propeller. Oh, that's really annoying. It must be one of the gears is spinning or slipping. All I've done is I've got a wire link there, probably a paper clip, through the body, then a little pin there to hold it at the right angle. It's actually giving it a little bit of pointing outwards, so that holds it out to the outside of the circle. And that must be more or less on the centre of gravity there. You can't really tell by that. But yeah, we're going to have to take that apart and have a look, see what's slipping. Because, like I said, we had one good flight, and now it's slipping. That's our tether. It's a servo arm on a nail, on a bead, just nailed into the top of there, so it's free spinning. No good for a big aeroplane, but for that little one that's alright for going round in circles. Well, this is probably worth showing you. I carefully levered this motor and gearbox unit off the front of the plane, and that was a waste of time because you can't get the motor out. It's actually, there's this front plastic bit, the black bit there, is glued on from the outside, and from this side you can see where I've been working my way into it to get it loose, and I can more or less see what I need to see. There we are. Yeah, that's what's happened. That little gear, which is just falling off at the back there, that's the one that's come loose. I just lift that up now. Yeah, so that's come off the motor shaft. So I didn't need to get this off the front of the plane, because we'd need to undo those screws if we were going to try and remove the motor. But yeah, that's the problem. That's just come loose. That's annoying. I doubt whether putting a bit of super glue on there is going to actually hold that in place. Oh, pushing it on that little bit may have helped though. I wonder if that's done the job. Just going to have to glue this back on again. Tidy it up. Oh, there was a screw on there just now. Don't lose that. Not a screw, a spring. That spring was on there. Is that knife blade in the way? Sorry about that. Right, so that goes in there. That will need to be glued back in. Just try a bit of gentle power. No. So that's still loose. Well, it's possible it wasn't lined up then. It may not have been fully home. How about if we push that on the other way round? Fingers are in the way now. Oh no, pulled the wire off. Alright, going to have to solder that back on now. One little problem after another. Right, that's just running down. As soon as I soldered it back in place, motor started running. So we've done that. Well, I'm not sure if we fixed it. That sounds like it's just come off. It sounds like it was fixed and it's gone loose. Yep. Oh, that's annoying. Grandad says lots of rude words. We'll try again. Whoa. Well, I hope the camera caught some of that. We'll give it one more try. Well, I'm pleased to say we fixed it. So, round the pole, or tethered flight, with a Air Hogs something or other. I can't remember what it was called. Possibly a wind flyer or something like that. But I modified it for a good size supercapacitor. And I'm charging it with a lithium ion battery, which I just measured as about 3.9 volts, which we're pumping it into a 2.7 volt supercapacitor. And it works. Oh, just for the record, I think it was Kodak Man or something like that who asked the question, but I seem to have lost his comment. I've a nasty feeling I've actually deleted it. I meant to pin it. But I think I deleted it. So very sorry, Kodak Man, if it was you who asked the question, because I've lost your comment. I say I think I deleted it. Didn't intend to, and I don't know any way of getting a comment back that you've accidentally deleted. So sorry about that. And sorry if I've got your name wrong. There we go, I was right. Air Hogs Wind Flyer. Charge up. and then just let it go, free flight. Got the instructions. I picked that up in a charity shop for £1.50. But for some reason I've upgraded it to a big capacitor. It probably just didn't fly very well. But it certainly goes round the pole. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there. And you might like to subscribe over there.